We hear a lot about the supposed health benefits of a cleanse or detox that is designed to eliminate toxins from your body. Many claims are there about various detox regimens, which could be in the form of a fast, diet, drink, or powder. Removing toxins has questionable benefits that include improving energy, weight loss, relief from constipation, resolved headaches, muscle aches, and fatigue. Yes, it sounds great. You may not realize that our bodies naturally detox. Our digestive tract, liver, kidneys, and skin are responsible for breaking down toxins for elimination through urine, stool, or sweat. You can make detox water at home in lots of different ways, using any combination of fruits, vegetables, and herbs that you like. Because it's made by infusing flavor. Rather than juicing or blending, detox water contains very few calories, and that makes it a popular drink for detox regimen like the lemon detox or master cleanse. Detox water is also often recommended in weight loss plans, especially in place of high sugar drinks like sugary soda and fruit juice. How does a detox work? For the most part, a cleanse and a detox are the same thing. They are typically used interchangeably and have the same basic goals: to remove harmful things from your body. Sometimes they aim to target a specific organ like the liver or colon, and supposedly detoxing makes your body feel better. Both often involve limiting your food intake to pressed juice, avoiding specific types of food, or drinking a concoction of juices that supposedly rids your body of toxins. These supposed toxins are rarely described by cleansers in detail, but generally referred to as poisons or pollutants. In the medical field, toxins can refer to just about anything from alcohol to foods or to medicines, etc. Detoxing can also refer to treatment for drug addiction, but that's very different. Here, we're specially discussing these food and drink cleanses. Are detoxes effective? The truth is, there is no conclusive medical evidence that your digestive tract will heal from skipping solid foods unless you have a digestive disorder. For athletes, losing carbohydrate stores means losing your body's preferred fuel source during exercise. So a detox isn't appropriate while training for any sport. If you choose to do a cleanse or detox, do it for more than 2 days during a recovery week, when you are doing little or no exercise. Detoxes can be made from vegetables, leafy greens, avocados, apples, beet, blueberries, extremely ripe bananas, lemon juice, turmeric, etc. Teas are also good natural detox. Few teas that are great for detox are green tea, rooibos tea, Earl Grey tea, dandelion root tea, and many more. What are the pros and the cons of detoxing? Before you decide to cleanse and spend big bucks on a magic drink or pounds of freshly juiced fruits and vegetables, be sure to weigh the benefits and drawbacks. Every little thing has its pros and cons. So the good things are, it can help you identify food sensitives by eliminating certain foods for several days, then gradually reintroducing potential trigger foods. You will benefit from increased intake of vitamins and minerals, either naturally from juiced fruits and veggies or supplemented from drinks. Here we go with the problems now. These diets are low in proteins and calories, which will leave you with little energy to exercise and may disrupt your metabolic rate and blood glucose levels. You may experience gastrointestinal distress and frequent bowel movements. Most importantly, a juice can cleanse doesn't do anything that your body doesn't already do on its own. Our bodies are already pretty good at removing toxins. If they were not, and we needed a yearly detox, we would probably be dead. Solid foods are often replaced with drinks like water with lemon, maple syrup, and green tea or freshly squeezed fruit and vegetable juices. Cleanses can last from a day to a month. Whatever you decide, remember that your body is meant to detox itself. A balanced diet of whole foods such as vegetables, fruit, whole grains, and legumes is healthy for your entire body and won't interfere with your ability to exercise. Your body is frequently exposed to toxic substances. However, most of the time it can remove them without additional help. While detox diets may seem tempting, their benefits likely have nothing to do with your vanquishing toxins, but rather with eliminating various unhealthy foods. A much smarter approach is to eat healthier and improve your lifestyle rather than go on a potentially dangerous cleanse. So, are you going to choose detox or not? Let us know your preferences in the comment section and subscribe to the channel to look forward to more videos. Have a good day.